Hey, my YouTube fam. So, long time no see, long time haven't really sat down and chill with you guys. I figured no need to be all glammed up. I'll put my pages on, about to take my makeup off in a second. Going to get a little salad going before I start, but want to see what you guys been up to. And I want to apologize, unfortunately I haven't been able to like really sit down and do like a good video. I've been a little bit under the weather and work, busy, kids, you know how that is. But what have you guys been up to? Let me know in the comments below, what have you guys been up to? Is there anything new you guys want me to try or, do? Is there anything, so I'm over here talking, is there anything you guys want me to show you guys how to do from, I know as beginners as makeup, you guys is always about doing the liner, the shadow, foundation tips, skincare tips. I do it all. Whatever you guys want me to do, I got you. Nails as well. I do my own nails with a press, Gel X nails. If you guys don't know about these, I could definitely let you guys know. There is so many people, like when I'm at work, they're like, oh my God, what are these? And I'm like, man, these are Gel X nails. They're easy to put on, pretty quick and simple. I could definitely show you how to do those as well. Save you some money, all that good stuff. Sorry, I'm chewing. I know that's rude. I apologize. But what have you guys been up to lately? I'm like, geez, life is going, life is going. So far, in my end, so far so good. Obviously, this is a month, if a lot of you guys know, my husband passed away. This will be 5 years on Christmas Day. And, it's still, an everyday process, unfortunately. That's just a tough one. And if anybody who is grieving, remember at all times, grief doesn't have a time limit. It is whenever, you are ready to, I feel like, not move on, but just kind of keep it going. It's a tough one. I'll be honest, it's a tough one. But overall, kids are doing good. They're doing their thing. My son just got his license, so I'm excited. My daughter's going to be doing driver's ed pretty soon, so that's pretty cool. Being a mom is one of my favorite things of all. I could honestly say it is my thing. But what do you guys like to do? Like, what is your hobbies? What do you guys like to do? I always want to say, definitely don't ever feel discouraged. If you guys ever look at yourself in life and be like, I should be at this stage in my life and I'm not. Don't ever feel discouraged. Everybody has their time when the time is right. So keep that in mind. My channel is all about, uplifting, positive and good vibes. That's what I want you guys to do. Be positive, be good, all the good stuff, All right, well, y'all keep me posted. I'm going to go finish my salad because I don't want to be rude. But I'll talk to y'all later. Don't forget, you're beautiful no matter